proof and why it's a great time to start stock investing. Now is a perfect time to begin stock investing if you have the right plan, and that's what I'm going to tell you right now. And I'm also going to give you a specific company to invest in so you can start investing and making money directly after watching this video. Now here is a 104-year graph, maybe about a 105-year graph of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is a great indicator for the stock market as an entirety. Now, as you can see at about the 1932 mark, that is the great stock market crash. And then if you look further along around 2003, you can see another dip, and that's the what they called the big crash in 2002 and 2003. Now, right now we're a bit beyond that, and it has plateaued out a little bit, so just basically continue that line to the right, and we're just right about there. Now, some companies will always be here, so you can invest in them for the long term. Which company? I'm going to tell you one. But some will always be here until alien overlords enslave humanity, or we are wiped out by a massive asteroid. Aside from those two things, there are some companies you can reliably put your money into. We call those foundation companies for building the foundation of your stock portfolio. And again, I'm going to give you one of those so you can begin doing that. Now, why is the stock market increasing like that? You saw that graph. Why does it just keep going up? It's because of population increase. There's more people to buy stuff. The overall economy, the overall increase of the quality of life in which we live allows us to buy more, to have more. We have better jobs. We make more money. The standard of living is much higher now. I mean, we basically have TV in every room, internet, this and that. You know, we have more. And companies provide that. And the companies that are providing that the best are the reason that graph is going up. And it's a world economy now. It's not just our country increasing the economy, thus the stock market. It's the entire world buying our stuff and increasing our stock market. You need to think long term. Regardless of any recessions or crashes, which really aren't going to happen. I know there's a lot of fear-mongering out there of people telling you, do this and that before another crash comes, and you know, really don't worry about that. If you invest in the right companies, like the one I'm going to give you, you can be completely crash and recession proof. It's not going to hurt you. You just need to be safe and smart. The people who are worried about that have too many of their eggs in too few baskets. And personally, I think those guys are morons. And I don't even want to direct you in that direction. So think long term, and you'll be fine. I am not talking about day trading. That can be good if you know what you're doing, but most people lose their skin. Most people fail. What I'm teaching you to do here works. It's based on that graph. You see, we can actually back it up. They can't. Now, who are you going to invest in? Now's the time for the tip. 3M. That is one of my favorite companies to invest in. I own lots of 3M stock. And yes, it has gone down within the last few months. As I record this, it's still it's towards the end of the first quarter of 2008, just for archiving purposes. And sure, it has lots of stuff has gone down, but that's just a short little blip. Remember that graph. This is not short-term investing. This is long-term investment. I am going to be a multi-millionaire when I retire just based on my 3M stock. That doesn't count everything else that I'm invested in. That's just 3M. They make everything from hand sanitizer for hospitals to scotch tape to rocket parts. They are so diverse and so good, they're going to be around forever. At least until, the aliens or the asteroid. So just imagine, what if you had put in money even just at 1980? You see that major increase right after 1980? That could be your money. What if you invested it, heck, even at the very bottom of the stock market crash in 1932? We would have that huge incline. What if you had invested it before 1932? It would have gone way down, but now you are way up regardless of the greatest stock market crash in our history that everyone knows about. You'd be way higher than that. You see, this stuff is crash and recession proof if you pick the right companies. 3M is one of the right companies. Go for it. You need a plan, though. Don't just throw your money willy-nilly. Have a plan. Do you know what a plan can do for you? Get one for free. I'm going to give you one for free. I will ship you one for free. This plan will tell you how much to invest in, how long you can expect to invest things, and it includes a revealing question and answer session about that 9-step plan so you can really understand it and make some great decisions. The plan even shows you how you can avoid minimums if you've never invested in stocks before. Sometimes there are some minimums, but there are ways around that, and I'll show you that. And everything you invest can be 100% tax deductible. Do you know how to? That is major. 100% tax deductible. For stock investing, just go to stockinvestingprofits.com. It's get the 7-part kit. It's the only thing on that page. Just go to stockinvestingprofits.com. It's free. It's a multimedia kit. It is a physical package shipped out to you. And it has way more than what we're talking about here. In fact, with the 9-step plan and the question and answer session, that's actually only 2 parts of this 7-part kit. There's a lot more involved in that kit. And it's totally free. Just go grab it and use the 3M stock tip. Use the 9-step plan to know how to invest correctly. Get all those tips I told you about getting to be 100% tax deductible, avoid your minimums. We even talk about how much you need to invest to start. Whoa, I'm not exactly sure how I got that up there. Sorry about that. So get that kit, invest in 3M, and start making tons of money and retire a multi-millionaire. And if that's even too far out in the future for you, it's not like you can't access the funds before that. That's just a general baseline goal I like to throw out there, because that's what a lot of people care about. But if you want to take out your money before and have some luxurious vacation every now and then, you know what? Your money's making you money. So go ahead and use it. It's really all up to you. But get that kit, stockinvestingprofits.com. Just get it shipped out to you, and you can contact me after you get that, because you become part of our community, and we can talk about this. Thank you.